Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Denise for those of y'all that are new. So today I just wanted to share with y'all my fall DIY wreath that I have. It was very simple to do, very inexpensive to make. It cost me about $2. I did have most of the supplies on hand, but I will definitely show you what I spent the $2 on and how I used it to decorate my modern hall tree. If you haven't seen that video, definitely go check that video out. All right, so let's get started. So here are all the items I'm going to be using for the DIY project. My painting brush here is from the Dollar Tree. And then also this floral wire here is also from the Dollar Tree, which I will use to attach to the back of the pumpkins. The little wire cutters, same, are from the Dollar Tree. The Kilz chalk paint I actually had on hand from my previous hall tree project. And then these are the pumpkins, or this is a pumpkin branch that I bought from Dollar General. These, like I said, were only $2, and I believe there's about 8 pumpkins or 9 pumpkins on this branch. All right, so I have all 5 pumpkins painted. I think I like the way they came out. I'm just going to see if they dry okay and if they need a second coat. I do like the way some of the orange is showing through because I don't think I want them to be like stark white. But if not, I will just go ahead and do like a second coat. I don't think they will need a second coat, but we'll see.
And people vote for Spoopy and Jackie.
So we'll just wait and let them dry and then go from there. So here you see me just cutting the wire. I cut it about, I would say maybe like 2 inches a piece. Maybe that's even 3, but I cut it about 2 or 3 inches a piece just to have enough wire to glue to the back, and then of course attach to the back of the wreath. So on this next one here, I'm actually just showing you the pumpkin that I messed up. I know I said 5 pumpkins, but I actually meant 6 pumpkins. And I messed that one up, which was fine because I didn't really need it. So now on this last part here, I'm just gonna decide where I want to place the 5 pumpkins on the wreath so that I can have them spaced evenly apart and they look presentable. If you're wondering why I used 5, it's only because I've heard that when you decorate, you should decorate in odd numbers, like 1, 3, 5, 7. So that's kind of why I chose 5 pumpkins. All right, so this is how my wreath came out. I really love it. And I actually, just so y'all know, I got this wreath from Hobby Lobby. It was $10, I believe, and I paid $5 because, you know, of course I waited for it to go 50% off. And then I just put the $2 pumpkins on here, and this is gonna pretty much be my little haul wreath for fall. A little hard to say there, but let me just show you really quick how I styled my haul tree here. It's kind of at a weird angle, so that's why it's a little bit hard to show you, but I really love the way this came out. Really happy with it. Let me just tell you a little bit of information in case you're curious. These flowers I actually got from Dollar Tree about a year or two ago. This pick I got from Dollar General as well about a year or two ago. These flowers, of course, were $1. This pick was about $2 or $3. The bag I got from Waco when I went to Magnolia. This I recently got from the Target dollar spot. I was like hunting that down, and I'll actually show you that in a haul that I have coming up. These two buckets here I got from Target, the Target dollar spot as well. These were $3 each. And then these pumpkins are from Michael's. I believe I got these like the year before, I believe. And this is actually new. I just got this pumpkin this year. This is from the Target dollar spot as well. This is from the Target dollar spot, and this is from Dollar General about a year or two ago as well. And that's pretty much it. I'm really happy the way it came out, really happy the way it looks. I do plan on doing a fall home tour as well, so be on the lookout for that. I hope everybody enjoyed this DIY, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, like the video, share with your family and friends. Definitely appreciate it, and follow me on Instagram.